Hello everyone. At the very outset, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak before you. Hi, my name is Mohammad Kaif and today I am here to narrate a topic in front of you. My today's topic is about online voting. Why can't we vote online? As what is the reason that our banking system, our education system and healthcare system, everything is going online. So why is the voting system not going online? And it's not possible in India. The rest of the developed countries are also not able to do it. So what's the reason behind it that we have reached moon and the Mars, but all the countries have failed in creating a secure online voting system? First of all, we have to understand the voting system. The voting system is done in three types all over the world. First one is paper ballot voting, in which voting is done by stamping on the paper. Second one is electronic voting. Like India, we use the EVM machine, electronic voting machine. And third one is I-voting, that is internet voting. Internet voting means we can vote by connecting our mobile phones or the laptops with the internet. It's very easy form of voting in India. Not in India, it's not applicable till now. There is some difference between the e-voting and I-voting. People consider it as same, but they are not same. Why I-voting is needed? That is it needed or not? So in 2019, about 60,000 crore of rupees have been spent on the Lok Sabha election. So it becomes a huge amount. If an online voting system implemented, so a lot of money will be saved. It's all about money. And second one is real democracy. Means the real democracy is that democracy in which all the people of the country participate. Mean all casted their votes. And today, if the voting ratio will be the 67 or 68%, then it became the record. So if online voting system will be there, so it increases the voting percentage in our country and it gives the shape to the real democracy. Next thing is about there are two fundamental requirements of an election, and because of these requirements, online voting system is not being implemented all over the world and it has become very difficult. First one is unanimity and second one is trust over the party. Unanimity means whenever whoever is voting for whom he has voted for, no one should know this. यानी कि आपने जिसको वोट दिया है और क्यों दिया है वो कोई पता नहीं लगा सकता. If government comes to know who voted for them, then they will make policy according to them, and they can threaten and can given bribes after winning. If a madman comes to the power, so he can also get genocides. It is also possible. So it's a very disadvantage of the online democracy, online voting system. Democracy means whichever government wins, it will work for the everyone, for those who have voted for them and for those who did not voted for them. If online voting will be there, its server will be created somewhere and it will be handled by someone. So who will handle the large amount of who will handle the big population like 140 crore of people voting account and his personal information, he will consider as a very powerful person and he may misuse it. So in current system, no one can know have you voted for in the current system. Right now only they guess that who might not voted for them. Because of that estimate, many communities are being harmed. Imagine if any government comes to know that you did not vote him, so that they will complete extract your data or they will take revenge from you. Means they will chun ke badla lena. Secondly, few people have access to the internet and data. Most of the population are illiterate, like we have only 75% literacy rate. So we are not able to adopt the proper online voting system, and we do not have proper access to internet. Even 4G have been running in India. So recently the AIMS server have been hacked by have got an cyber attack. So we do not have any proper online system, and we can't trust it because it is the matter related to our national security. It's more difficult to go on Mars. Many countries tried for the online voting system like Norway, Canada, Australia, France, and These are the countries who tried for the online voting system, who adopted online voting system, but they failed, but they got failed. But one of the country, that is Estonia, it adopted the online voting system in 2005, and it is successfully running in their country, because the population of Estonia is only about 13 lakh population. So it is very less than as compared to the 140 crore of population, which is the second highest, or I think it is the first highest populous country in our world. So it's very difficult to adopt an online system. But what I think, that there will be the 5G process will be there, so it may be there is a possibility that after 1 decade, 2 decade, there will be the online system, because we are developing a metaverse, and our youth is depending only on the online system. So what do you think about online voting system? Is it good or is it bad? Write down your suggestion in the comment section. What can be the measure we can adopt for adopting the online voting system? This is all for today's topic. If you have any suggestion, then you can suggest in the comment box. Thank you so much.